If you're looking for a simple yet effective drill driver, this 12-volt cordless from Ryobi is just that. As part of the Handyline range, this is perfect for DIY and home use. It features a quick and easy keyless chuck which holds bits from 0.8 to 10 millimeters. There are two operating modes: drill only with a top speed of 700 RPM and driver mode with 17 torque settings with a maximum torque of 12 Newton meters, all controlled by the responsive pressure sensitive trigger. The maximum drilling capacities are 19 millimeters in wood and 8 millimeters in steel. It weighs 930 grams, including the 1.5 amp hour battery that is housed within the handle. The electronic cell protection prolongs the battery's life and guards it against damage. It has a bright LED to illuminate the work area, a battery charge light, and a forward and reverse direction indicator. Overall, a very responsive, compact and simply designed drill driver. This is just one of the drill drivers available at Builders. For more product reviews, visit the Builders website or check out the Builders Fan YouTube channel.